Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set up custom conference in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. Once you're on the Dynasty setup page, you're gonna see the option custom conferences. So simply select that, and once you do that, you're gonna see pop-up like this, which says changing a team's conference impacts its Dynasty blueprint budget. As conference prestige affects yearly Dynasty points, this may increase or decrease available resources, impacting support staff, facilities, and NIL. So you can simply select the option I understand, and here you're gonna see all conferences like American, ACC, Big 10, Big 12, so on and so forth. So simply choose the conference where you'd like to make changes, and once you do that, you're gonna see like bunch of options. The option we have here is add school. If you select that, you'll able to select the school which you wanna add like this, and select OK. You can see the school is added. Just like that, you can also swap schools. Like let's say I wanna swap BYU to someone like this one, Ball State. If we press A or cross, the schools will swap. It is that easy. On top of that, you can also change conference rules. Like for that, you just need to press cross on Xbox or square on PlayStation. Then you can simply turn on or off divisions. You can change division 1 name, division 2 name. You can also basically set number of conference games. You can also turn on or off conference championship game. So you have all these good options here. You can basically choose this according to you, and once you're done, simply hit the back button and the changes will be saved for your dynasty. Now you can simply select advanced and move ahead with your setup. It is that easy to set custom conference in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.